It takes my breath away, playing our song. 'Cause I really miss the way you would sing along. Getting high on our yesterday makes it hard to move on. 'Cause it takes my breath away now that you're gone. If there's one thing that I would change, hell, I would have held on instead of always imagining be gone. Between the heartache and the heartbreak and everything I've done wrong, my walls are caving in and I'm late again, so my tears begin to fall. It's funny how we don't know our mistake till all of the leaving's done. All the words that you need to say in this place seem empty when the music's gone. Lord, I wish I knew what to say. God, I wish I knew what to say to make you sing along. No, sing along. From the Texas plains to the Florida rains, our love was so strong, but now I've gone insane 'cause I can't take the pain, knowing now that you're gone. There's nothing I can take to quit and alleviate. Oh God, this feels so wrong. Will I breathe again? Why does it have to end? Why do all our pieces fall? It's funny how we don't know our mistake till all of the leaving's done. All the words that you need to say in this place seem empty when the music's gone. Lord, I wish I knew what to say. God, I wish I knew what to say to make you sing along. No, sing along. God, I hope you sing